Oh man, that event was absolutely just insane. And right now we're going to talk about the iPad Air. That's right, because they released an iPad Air with the M1 chip. I did not see that coming. I expected it to be like an A15X or something around that line. But no, they just said, no, let's just put the M1 in it. So now we have the iPad Pros with the M1 chip and the iPad Air with the M1 chip. I'm just mind blown that they actually did this. Like, it's just insane. So mainly the biggest thing you're not getting now with the iPad Air over the iPad Pro is, I believe you get more nits of brightness because the screen is better on the iPad Pro. With that display, you are getting 500 nits of brightness, and it still has the P3 gamut of colors and True Tone and all that stuff. It's just not that XDR level, but it's still a great display. It's got the same CPU and GPU as the MacBook Pro M1, so it's got that 8-core GPU, 8-core CPU. Just, it's nuts. Every iPad supports the center stage, which I love that feature. It's so much fun. I use it on the iPad mini. It's just really cool how it just widens out as you're walking in. And now they all have it. They did add 5G capability to this device, so if you get that cellular model, now your speeds are going to be way faster on the go, which is awesome. And they added a 2 times faster USB-C port on here. So now you can transfer data faster. I mean, they're basically making this thing more pro than it's ever been. So it's awesome, which in turn, we're gonna see something even more amazing, I'm guessing, with the next iPad Pro. But the upgrades that they're doing on this is so great. Pre-orders open up this Friday, March 11th. It's available next Friday, March 18th. They're not making you wait hardly at all for these devices this time around. And if you like this content, please hit that thumbs up. Also, I have more videos right here where you can go ahead and see more of the peak performance content all at your fingertips. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. God bless.